Okay, so here we go. This is the first workout for basketball this week. It's going to be every minute on the minute burpees. What that means is you're going to need a stopwatch or a phone timer or just a clock, whatever you can measure a minute with. In the first minute, you're going to be doing one burpee. Then you're going to rest for the remainder of that minute. Then when it gets to the second minute, you're going to do two burpees. So then you're going to rest for the remainder of that minute. When you get to minute three burpees, rest for the rest of the minute. And you're just going to keep on doing that pattern until you can no longer complete the number of burpees in the minute that you're given. So maybe you get to 10 burpees in a minute and you successfully do that, but then you get into the 11th minute and you have to do 11 burpees and you're not able to do 11 burpees in a minute. Your score would be 10 minutes. You're not going to include in your Google Sheet answer the 11th minute. You're going to include how much you're successfully able to do. Now notice that it's going to seem very easy at first. One burpee in 1 minute is not too difficult to do, but as time goes on, that rest period, the remainder of the minute is going to get shorter and shorter. So it's going to get pretty difficult pretty fast. So some modifications, I actually went over to Pecos and recorded the different modifications. The first one is going to be a standard, just a step back. So if you have any pain in your knees or ankles and you want to have a really low impact burpee, that's the one for you. You're just going to go down, step back in, stand up, and that's one. The next option is going to be the jump back. So you're not jumping at the top, you're standing all the way up, you're going down, but instead of stepping back, you're now jumping back into the push-up position and then coming right back up. The next option is the jump back into the push-up position with also a jump at the top. This is option number 3 that you can do. And then option number 4 is the push-up with the jump at the top, jump back into a push-up, jump at the top. This is the standard burpee that we usually do in class, but you can do any of those options and that would be fine. You will note which option you end up doing in the Google form that you have to complete after you complete the workout. And then the coach's challenge of the week. So this is the workout that I actually did, and I challenge you to do it as well. It's a 2-mile run, which takes about 18 minutes. If you can't measure 2 miles, it's about 18 minutes, so just measure time. And then it's the every minute on the minute burpees for 10 minutes. So you're able to do 10 burpees within a minute, and that's how much you have to do. And then it's a 1.5 mile run afterwards. So that's about 14 minutes. So again, if you can't go outside, you can run in place. You can pretend to jump rope in place for the 18 minutes, do the burpees, and then for the 14 minutes, and that will count as completing the coach's challenge of the week. So your homework that is required is only to complete at least one time the workout. Complete the workout at least one time. And then fill out the Google form. So you have to fill out the Google form. That's your way of showing me that you did the workout. And then the optional one is to complete the workout multiple times. If you end up doing it 3 or 4 times, it's awesome. And then again, the option of doing the coach's challenge of the week. If you really want to push yourself, I highly recommend you go ahead and do that. Have a great week.